On that note, let's get right over to Chief Meteorologist Jeremy Good. Jeremy, even though the courses aren't open right now in the winter, our local courses, man, it would have been a perfect day to golf on Saturday. It was like almost warm, shall I say?
Even today wound up pretty warm, we'll call it. And that plays a big role in what's headed our way. We have another round of rain and strong wind. We're in 3 days of weather impact alerts. First day, nothing crazy. Winds 30 to 45 miles per hour tomorrow evening to Tuesday morning. It's another round of wind advisories, another basically what we've been through a few times. Our flood watches are back for the mountains of North Idaho and the Cascades. We have another round of rain. The good news here is we don't have the snow to melt with this round. The bad news is it's yet another atmospheric river. That atmospheric river is set up off the coast and headed our way. We'll get our first round starting tomorrow morning. It starts with rain, and almost always starts with rain. Rain will pick up tomorrow morning and then come down pretty steady through much of the day. By tomorrow afternoon, that rain starts moving up into the mountains and wind picks up. Our strongest wind tomorrow will be in the evening and then into the night. It then gives us a bit of a lull. Tuesday starts out with another quick passing round of showers, more widespread rain hitting a little bit later, and then on the backside of that, wind ramps up and ramps up in a big way. Right now, forecast models are saying that wind is going to be a much bigger deal than anything we have seen lately. And that wind takes us into Wednesday morning. That is the one that we are more concerned about. All said and done, when it comes to rain, I think just through the first round, looking at a tenth, maybe a half an inch up in the mountains. The bigger round of rain is going to be later this week, but by then we could be talking some mountain snow. So let's talk about this, because the next wave that moves in is a bigger deal. It's going to be heavier rain. That's the Tuesday night to Wednesday morning. The wind is going to be strong. We're talking wind gusts potentially upwards of 70 miles per hour, 60 to 70. We've been in the 50 to 55, maybe 50 to 60 realm. So this is a big deal. But as that shift moves in, we are looking at some late week mountain snow potential. Right now, we know it is going to be a ton of wind. And for that reason, we're under those high wind watches. That's 60 to 70 miles per hour, basically from the Cascades through North Idaho into Montana. This is one of the stronger looking windstorms when it comes to our wind potentials. I think it's a big deal. For that reason, I went ahead and said, you know what, let's just weather impact alert the next few days. We know that Tuesday night into Wednesday morning is our biggie. We know that that is the big deal. Tomorrow night's wind, it's just another round of what we've been through already a few times. Then as we get into the day on Tuesday, we'll catch a bit of a break. Then Tuesday evening, the rain and then the wind. And then later this week, that wind does a decent job of ushering in enough cold that the chance of snow returns to us here in Spokane. And we're definitely talking some much needed snow up in the mountains. So it's a big shift, but a pretty gnarly way of getting there.
Yeah, my goodness, a lot going on right there, Jeremy. Thank you very much.